Trying to pick a smartwatch, but everything feels the same? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're putting the Garmin Forerunner 570 and the COROS Pace 4 head-to-head to see which one truly stands out. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one is worth your attention. Let's get into it. Comparative analysis. Talking about the materials and build, the Garmin Forerunner 570 features a lightweight fiber-reinforced polymer case with an aluminum bezel and Gorilla Glass protection, giving it a more premium and durable smartwatch feel. The COROS Pace 4 also uses a fiber-reinforced polymer body with a minimal, ultralight design focused on endurance comfort, making it slightly lighter and more sport-focused for long training sessions. The Forerunner 570 comes in 42mm and 47mm sizes with AMOLED displays, up to approximately 1.4-inch, 454 by 454 on the larger model, offering brighter visuals and richer UI interaction. The COROS Pace 4 features a 1.2-inch AMOLED display with a sharp 390 by 390 resolution and high brightness tuned for outdoor training clarity. The Forerunner 570 offers around 10 to 11 days of smartwatch battery and up to approximately 18 hours of GPS, but focuses more on advanced training analytics and smart features rather than maximum endurance. The COROS Pace 4 is built for endurance with up to approximately 19 days of smartwatch battery and around 38 to 41 hours of GPS tracking depending on mode. The Forerunner 570 offers a more complete Garmin ecosystem with training readiness, body battery, Garmin Pay, music support, voice calls, and deep recovery metrics. The Pace 4 covers core health features like HR, sleep, HRV, VO2 max, and training load, but keeps smart features minimal, focusing more on running performance than smartwatch extras. The Garmin Forerunner 570 was launched in 2025 on May 15th, and it comes with a price tag of around $549.99 USD, placing it in the premium category for serious runners and fitness users. On the other hand, the COROS Pace 4 arrived later in 2025 on November 10th, with a much more budget-friendly price of about $249 US, making it a strong option for athletes who want performance-focused features at a lower cost. The Garmin Forerunner 570 is better for users who want a full smartwatch experience with advanced training tools, recovery tracking, and ecosystem features for daily use plus sports. The COROS Pace 4 is ideal for runners, triathletes, and endurance athletes who prioritize battery life, lightweight design, and training simplicity. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.